Picture this, earning an income even when you're not working, simply by endorsing items you enjoy. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, where your passion can turn into profit. In this episode, we're diving into the exciting realm of affiliate marketing and how it can become your ticket to passive income. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. It's how bloggers, influencers, and content creators are turning their recommendations into real revenue. Take Adam and Froy, for example. He started his blog in 2019, and within just 1 year, he was earning over $80,000 per month, with a significant portion coming from affiliate marketing. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we unpack the potential of this lucrative side hustle. Let's break down how affiliate marketing actually works. It's a simple process involving 3 key players. 1. The merchant. This is the company selling the product or service. 2. The affiliate. That's you. You promote the merchant's product. 3. The customer. They buy the product through your unique link. When a customer clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. There are 3 main types of affiliate programs. 1. Pay-per-click, PPC. You earn for each click on your affiliate link. 2. Pay-per-sale, PPS. You earn a percentage of the sale price. 3. Pay-per-lead, PPL. You earn when someone signs up or fills out a form. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale connect affiliates with thousands of merchants across various niches. Now, let's talk about what everyone really wants to know: the income potential. Affiliate marketing earnings can range from a few dollars a month for beginners to 6 or even 7 figures for top earners. For example, Pat Flynn consistently earns over $100,000 per month. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, a personal finance blogger, makes over $50,000 per month, primarily through affiliate marketing. However, it's important to note that these are exceptional cases. Most successful affiliate marketers earn anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Your earnings will depend on several factors. 1. Your niche and its profitability. The size and engagement of your audience. Your conversion rate. 4. The commission rates of your chosen affiliate programs. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its passive income potential. Once you've created content with your affiliate links, it can continue to generate income for months or even years to come. While affiliate marketing can be lucrative, it's not without its challenges. Let's explore the main hurdles you might face. 1. Building trust. Your audience needs to trust your recommendations. Without trust, your affiliate links are just noise. 2. Standing out. The affiliate marketing space is crowded. You'll need to differentiate yourself to succeed. 3. Keeping up with changes. Algorithms, regulations, and best practices are always evolving. Staying current is crucial. 4. Managing multiple relationships. As you grow, you'll work with various affiliate programs, each with its own rules and payment structures. 5. Consistent content creation. Success often requires regular, high-quality content to keep your audience engaged. Remember, these challenges aren't roadblocks. They're opportunities to excel where others might give up. Now that we've covered the challenges, let's dive into some practical tips to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. 1. Choose the right niche. Pick a niche you're passionate about and that has profit potential. Research demand and competition. 2. Create valuable content. Focus on helping your audience. Solve problems and provide genuine value beyond just promoting products. 3. Be transparent. Always disclose your affiliate relationships. Honesty builds trust with your audience. 4. Diversify your partnerships. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Work with multiple affiliate programs to stabilize your income. 5. Test and optimize. Regularly analyze your performance. Test different strategies and optimize based on what works best. 6. Build an email list. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. It gives you direct access to your audience. 7. Learn SEO. Search engine optimization can help your content reach more people organically. 8. Be patient. Success in affiliate marketing often takes time. Stay consistent and keep improving. Implement these tips, and you'll be well on your way to affiliate marketing success. Let's look at a real-life success story in affiliate marketing. Meet John Lee Dumas, the founder of Entrepreneur on Fire, a daily podcast interviewing successful entrepreneurs. John started his podcast in 2012 with no prior podcasting or business experience. Through consistent content creation and strategic affiliate partnerships, he turned his podcast into a 7-figure business. Key strategies John used. 1. Focused on a specific niche. Entrepreneurship and business. 2. Created high-quality, consistent content, daily podcast episodes. 3. Built trust with his audience through transparency, publishing monthly income reports. 4. Promoted products he used and believed in. 5. Diversified his income streams, with affiliate marketing being a significant contributor. In 2020, John reported earning over $3 million, with a substantial portion coming from affiliate marketing. The takeaway: success in affiliate marketing comes from providing consistent value, being transparent, and strategically promoting products that align with your audience's needs. Now let's evaluate affiliate marketing using our side hustle matrix. Difficulty to start: 2 out of 5. Starting in affiliate marketing is relatively easy. You don't need much upfront investment, just a platform to create content and share affiliate links. Difficulty to make $100 a month: 3 out of 5. Earning your first $100 can take some time. You need to build an audience and find the right products to promote. However, it's achievable with consistent effort. Difficulty to maintain: 3 out of 5. Maintaining an affiliate marketing business requires ongoing effort. You need to consistently create content, stay updated with industry trends, and nurture your audience relationships. Overall, affiliate marketing offers a good balance of accessibility and income potential. While it requires consistent effort, the possibility of scaling your income makes it an attractive side hustle option. As we wrap up our deep dive into affiliate marketing, let's recap the key points. 1. Affiliate marketing offers a flexible way to earn passive income by promoting products you believe in. 2. Success requires choosing the right niche, creating valuable content, and building trust with your audience. 3. While there are challenges, like standing out in a crowded market, the potential rewards can be significant. 4. Real-life success stories like Michelle Schroeder-Gardner show what's possible with dedication and the right strategies. 5. Our side hustle matrix shows that affiliate marketing offers a good balance of accessibility and income potential. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, passions, and continuous learning. But for those willing to put in the work, it can be a rewarding path to financial freedom. Before you go, here's a bonus tip that could significantly boost your affiliate marketing success. Create product comparison content. Many consumers search for comparisons between similar products before making a purchase decision. By creating in-depth, honest comparisons between products in your niche, you can: 1. Provide high-value content to your audience. 2. Rank well in search engines for valuable keywords. 3. Naturally incorporate multiple affiliate links. 4. Position yourself as an expert in your niche. Remember to stay objective and honest in your comparisons. Your audience's trust is your most valuable asset in affiliate marketing. Implement this strategy, and you could see a substantial increase in your affiliate commissions. Happy marketing!